Today, I'm going to put you to a challenge. I want to know all the wonderful things that is in your brain that you have learned about during math. You're going to show your teacher how you can solve some story problems. You need this paper, and you need to keep it in the very special protective sleeve. You also need a dry erase marker and a dry eraser. Pause the video now to make sure you have your materials. Great job! We are going to start on this side of the page. I want you to listen to my story. Draw my story the math way. When we draw the math way, we draw circles that are clear, accurate, quick, and simple. After you draw the story, I want you to write the number sentence that goes with it. Are you ready? Got those listening ears on? Give them a little tug, make sure they're ready. Here we go. There were 5 girls and 3 boys at the park. Draw your 5 girls and 3 boys the math way. Pause the video. Now that you have drawn your 5 girls and 3 boys, let's keep going. How many kids are there in total at the park? Now, I want you to use your picture to write your addition number sentence. You see the plus sign and the equal sign. Pay attention to those symbols. Pause the video to write your number sentence. Great job! Let's move over to the picture with the cars. Listen to my story. Use the picture below to help you. Then you will write a number sentence. Are you ready, friends? Thumbs up if you're ready. Okay. Johnny had 6 toy cars. He broke 2 of them. Wonder what you'll do to your picture to help show that. How many toy cars does he have left? Now, I want you to write your number sentence that goes with your picture. Pay attention to the symbols. You have a minus sign and an equal sign. Pause the video to write your number sentence. Now that you're all done, take a picture of your work on Seesaw. Make sure your picture is very clear so that your teacher can see your math drawings and your number sentence. Great job, friends!